Hey homeowners, let's talk about something most people forget, cleaning your dryer vent. I know it's not glamorous, but trust me, this tiny task can literally save your house from a fire. First up, safety. Always unplug your dryer before you start. If you have a gas dryer, turn off the gas valve too, no shortcuts. Now carefully pull your dryer away from the wall, just enough to get to that big, flexible hose in the back. Looks innocent, but that's where lint loves to hide. Next, loosen the clamp that holds the vent hose in place. You might need a screwdriver. Once it's off, gently pull the hose free. Don't yank it, just work it loose. Here's the fun part. Grab your vacuum with the hose attachment and get in there. Suck out all the lint from both the hose and the wall opening. If you have a vent cleaning brush kit, even better, get deep and really scrub it out. But don't stop there. Head outside and find your dryer vent exhaust flap. Open it up, clear out any visible lint, and give it a quick vacuum or brush too. Make sure the flap swings open easily. Once everything's spotless, reconnect the hose, tighten the clamp, push your dryer back, and plug it in. If you turned off the gas, turn it back on. Bonus tip, clean your lint trap after every load and give your vent a deep clean every 6 to 12 months. That's it. A clean dryer vent means faster drying, lower bills, and a safer home. Too busy to handle dryer vents or want your whole laundry area cleaned professionally? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6332 or visit the website at www.bearbroscleaning.com because your vents, appliances, and home deserve to be Beary Clean.